Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Racing Rewards service in the description of this video. Discover the easy way to make $1,000 a week with betting. Racing Rewards. Great news! John Jeffries of Racing Rewards has gapped the doors to his service for you nowadays. Daily bets and tips. Simple to follow instructions. Guaranteed wins. Profitable data. If you head over to his website right currently, you'll notice out how to make in straightforward $1,000 per week from horse racing. If you would like to earn an income from horse race betting, in a very supportive atmosphere, then you're in the right place. The only demand from you is 5 minutes of some time, therefore if you would like to begin creating a new or further income today, please scan on. Creating cash from our information. Making cash from counting on horse racing is not a dream or the exclusive domain of millionaires. Our members do it right now, and you'll be able to do it too if you join us nowadays and follow our daily tipping info. You'll be able to make a replacement or extra income with ease by receiving our world-class tips that have proven to be highly profitable and highly rewarding. The ideas that we tend to offer are simply understood, and they're emailed to you each morning with simple and precise directions on how to use them. And best of all, the tips that we tend to provide to you may only take up 5 minutes of your time to use. If you be part of up with us and follow our advice, you may improve your personal and money situation immediately, based mostly upon the ideas that we tend to can give you with. What can you expect from us in our service? You can expect to receive up to 4 betting tips a day, 5 days a week, 12 months a year. We send out the tips each day by 11 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time at the latest, so that all of our members have plenty of time to take advantage of them. And we only send out tips which we feel offer true value, and we do not send out tips just for the sake of it. Consistent profit through winning results is what we deliver, and it is this consistency that provides us with a daily income, and it will provide the same for you too as well. And if you require help or support at any time, you can contact us through our customer support. And you can expect to receive a reply and full customer service from us. Racing Rewards service. Join now, and improve your financial life. Just click on the link below.